Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, we are studying about the control and coordination in living organisms, and especially we are discussing about the control and coordination in the plants and how is control and coordination is in plant control and coordination in plants. So today our topic is tropism. Tropism or tropic movement. What is tropism? Tropism, it's a growth movement of a plant part in response to an external stimulus in which the direction of the stimulus determines the direction of the response is called tropism. Tropism is a directional movement in response to the external stimulus. The stimulus may be in the form of light, the stimulus may be in the form of gravity, the stimulus may be in the form of a chemical, the stimulus may be in the form of the water, and the stimulus may be in the form of the touch. So dear students, tropism, it's a type of the movement in the plants. In the plants in response to the external stimulus. It's a directional movement, and when the growth of a plant part is towards the stimulus, it's called positive tropism. It's called positive tropism. And when the growth of the plant part is towards the stimulus, is called positive tropism. Is called positive tropism. And when the growth of the plant part is away from the stimulus, when the growth of a plant part is away from the stimulus, so it's called negative tropism. It's called negative tropism. There are generally 5 types of stimulus. The stimulus is light, it's gravity, it's chemical, it's water, and touch. These 5 types of the stimulus give rise to the 5 types of the tropism in plants. When there is the stimulus in the form of light, the tropism is called phototropism. Photo means light, so the stimulus is called phototropism. And when the stimulus is in the form of gravity, the tropism is called geotropism. Geo means gravity, geo means earth, and the tropism is called geotropism. And the third is the chemical. When the stimulus in the form of chemical, the tropism is called chemotropism. The tropism is called chemotropism. And fourth one is when the stimulus in the form of water, the tropism is called hydrotropism. Hydro means water. And number 5th is when the stimulus is in the form of touch, the tropism is called thigmotropism. So there are 5 types of stimulus: phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, and thigmotropism. So we will discuss these 5 types of the tropism one by one. First of all, light. When the stool is in the form of light, the tropism is called, number first is phototropism. Phototropism. Photo means light. Tropism means movement. So plants show this type of the phototropism. When the stimulus is in the form of light, the plant shows phototropism. Especially if we give the example of phototropism, the stem. Stem shows phototropism